With temperatures in the 90s this week, doctors say you could beat the heat by staying hydrated and staying indoors. But some have no choice. They make a living by being outside. WMBD's Cody Sheaver caught up with one man whose job requires him to brave the elements. Cody.
Lauren, as the hot weather approaches central Illinois, most kids are playing in pools or eating ice cream. But for teens and adults working outside, this weather could be dangerous if you don't plan ahead.
It's tough. It's tough. You just got to bear with it.
For the past 30 years, Paul Tart has been roofing and siding homes throughout Peoria County. And these warm temperatures, well, they're nothing new. Over the past 3 decades of working outside, Tart has learned the best ways of beating the humidity.
Earlier is the best. Beat the sun. I mean, of course it's going to get hot soon, but you know, by 10, 11 it's already baking, but the earlier is the better. And take breaks. Get in the shade. Get in the shade once in a while.
While braving the heat, doctors at OSF St. Francis encourage you to stay hydrated and drink plenty of fluids. If you must go outside, health professionals want you to take the necessary steps to stay safe.
Prevention is key, so staying out of the heat when you can. If you have to go out into the heat, making sure it's in the early morning hours or afternoon hours when the sun's not so bright. Certainly liberal sunscreen application and wearing loose-fitting clothing, hats when you can.
Doctors add if you start to develop heat exhaustion, feel dizzy or nauseous, you should stop working and try to cool off. If conditions worsen, it's vital to get medical help.
Stroke is a little more severe where you start actually feeling dry, you stop sweating, maybe get confused, people pass out. Those sort of symptoms are much more concerning and require prompt medical attention.
Now, there are various cooling centers across central Illinois. If you need to cool off, we have them listed on our website, ciproud.com. Lauren.
Cody, thank you. A busy weekend in Peoria County has event planners preparing for the heat. The Louisville Slugger Sports Complex is hosting 50 baseball teams for a round-robin tournament on Saturday and Sunday. The facility has 10 fields, all with artificial turf, making the temperatures climb even more for those athletes.
We want to make sure that we obviously have our bases covered in terms of making sure people have the proper equipment. So we're going to have staff throughout the entire complex, in addition to all of the amenities that we typically offer, plus all of the water that we're going to have this weekend. And hopefully we're going to have some portable cooling stations out here to make sure that people aren't getting too overheated.
The complex has stocked the concessions with ice, water, and cold drinks. There will be extra sunscreen to go around as well.